Why is it that in our digital age, people still prefer handwritten signatures when confirming decisions? It's because signing your name with a pen is so intuitive and natural. But the problem for organizations is signing paper forms breaks workflows that are otherwise digital. SignPro PDF API enables you to digitize the handwritten signing process, making your workflow 100% digital. This is how it works. It starts with a PDF form. This form can be pre-filled with data from another application. Using a digital pen, multiple people can fill the form and sign it by hand. And when the process is complete, the PDF is returned to the system it came from. Let's look at a real-world example. A customer takes his car to an auto repair shop. The clerk creates a new job file and enters it into the CRM system. Next step, the workshop technician. After repairing the car, she enters the CRM and calls up the PDF to document her work. The PDF is pre-filled with customer data. The technician only has to add information about the work that has been done using either the keyboard or the handwriting recognition feature. Then she signs the document. And the PDF is returned to the CRM system. Sometime later, the customer returns to pick up his car. The clerk calls up the form, and the customer uses SignPro PDF to sign for the receipt of the vehicle. This is how multiple people can sign the same digital form in a legally compliant way. The electronic form is again returned to the CRM system, where any follow-up process can be triggered. For example, an email to the customer. That's how easy it is to add handwritten electronic signatures to your workflows with SignPro PDF. Visit Wacom.com/SignPro to learn more. Wacom for Business. More human, more digital.